Hello, my little friends. I hope you all are fit and fine. I'm your host and host. Welcome you all in Learnsmart Math tutorial. In this session, we continue our topic number system. In this part 3, we are covering comparing and orching of number. So now, why we waste our time? Now we will start. Our first topic is comparing numbers. Do you know what is comparing numbers? No. Okay. So today we are going to learn how we compare two numbers. For that we have to study some basic rules. Now we will study some basic rules. First rule is when numbers contain different number of digits. जब कोई भी numbers contain करे different number of digits. The number with more digit is greater than the number with fewer digit is smaller. Now take it one example. 4324 and another number is 379. So how many digits in first number? 4 digits. And in second number, 3 digits. Which number is greater? 4 digit number is greater. Now another example. When numbers contain same number of digits. जब कोई भी number contain करता है same number of digits. So when the number of digit is same, start comparing from leftmost digit. For example, digits at 1000 place. When the number, जब कोई भी number की digits starting में same है, same number of digits है, 4 number digits and another side is also 4 number digits. So first we comparing from the leftmost digits at 1000 place. Now take it one example. 7962 and another number is 4108. Which number is greater? Can you understand? No. Okay. So let we compare the number at 1000 place. In first number 7 at 1000 place and another number is 4 at 1000 place. So which is a greater? 7 is greater or 4 is greater? 7 is greater than 4. So which number is greater? 7962 is greater than 4108. Now take it another rule. If the digits at 1000 place is same in both the numbers, then compare the digits at 100 place. If digits at 1000 place same in both numbers, दोनों numbers में 1000 place पे digit same है, तो we compare at 100 place. 5625, another number is 5425. In this number 5 is the same, 5 is common in both numbers, so we compare the digit at 100 place. 6 and 4, 6 at 100 place, 4 at 100 place. So which is a greater? So 56 is greater than 54. So 5625 is greater than 5425. Now we will take another rule. If the digits at 1000 place and 100 place is same in both the numbers, 1000 place, 100 place is same in both the numbers, then we compare the digits at tens place. 3281 in another number is 3295. 1000 place 3 is common in both the number. 2 at 100 place same in both the numbers, so we compare at a tens place. In first number 8 and another number is 9. 8 at a tens place, 9 at a tens place. So which is a greater? 9. 9 is greater. 3281, 3295. Which is a greater? 3295 is greater. Now we will take another rule. If all the digits in both the numbers are same, then the numbers are equal and we use the sign equal. 5426, another number is 5426. The both numbers are same, so we put equal sign. 2365, another number is also 2365. So we use the sign equal. 1265, another number is also 1265. So we use equal sign. So now we will learn another topic. Put the correct sign. Smaller sign, greater sign or equal sign. First number is 7419. Another number is 7491. In both numbers, 1000 and 100 place is same. So we compare it tens place. So which is a greater, 1 and or 9? 9. Yes, 7491 is a greater number. 342, another number is 4382. In first number, how many digits? 3. In another number is 4. So which is a greater? 4382 is greater. So now we will learn another topic, ordering of number. What is ordering? Ordering means sequence. We will learn ascending order. Do you know what is an ascending order? Arranging the numbers from smallest to greatest is known as a increasing order or ascending order. जब भी हम numbers को arrange करते हैं smallest to greatest, तो it is known as a increasing or a ascending order. See it picture carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4. Smallest to largest. जब हम नीचे से ऊपर की तरफ जाते हैं, this is called a ascending order. Write the given numbers in ascending order. First example is 8501, 8105, 8150, 8015. Do you know 1000 place is same in all numbers? Yes. So now we compare last three digits, 501, 105, 150 and 15. Which is the smallest number? 15, 8015, 8105, 8150, 8501. Smallest to greatest. Now we will take another example. 1831, 5831, 1318, 5318. Which is the greatest number? Which is the smallest number? See it carefully. See it carefully. 1318, 1831, 5318, 5831. Ascending order means smallest to largest. Now we will learn descending order. Arranging the numbers from greatest to the smallest is known as a decreasing order or descending order. जब हम ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर से स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर की साइड आते हैं, इट इज नोन एज अ डिक्रीजिंग, मतलब कम करना, और अ डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. सी इट केयरफुली. स्टेयर से जब हम नीचे उतर रहे हैं, 4 3 2 1. Largest to smallest number is known as a descending order. So now write the given numbers in descending order. First example is 3651, 5560, 3213, 3210. Which is a greater number? 5560, 3651, 3213, 3210. Now take it another example. 1296, 2196, 150, 1580. Which is a greater number? See it, last digits, 96, 96, 50, 80. Which is a greater? 96. First number is greater or second number is greater? Second number is greater. 2196, 1296. Now 96, no, first digit we see 1580. Yes. So example is 2196 is greater, then smallest 1580, then smallest 1296, and then 150. Yes, if last two digits is same, so we compare it 1000 at 100 place. Yes. Let's revise. When the number with more digit is always greater. When the number of digits is same, start comparing from the leftmost digit, the digit at 1000 place. अब नंबर्स में सेम स्टार्टिंग हो रही है, तो हम कंपेयर करना कहाँ से स्टार्ट करते हैं? लेफ्ट मोस्ट डिजिट 1000 प्लेस, देन 100, then tens, then ones. If all the digits in both the numbers are same, then the numbers are equal and we use the sign equal. Arranging the numbers from smallest to the greatest is known as an increasing order or ascending order. Arranging the numbers from greatest to the smallest is known as decreasing order or descending order. Now, got it? Okay. Thank you. That's all for today. I hope you understand the topic. Now, it's your turn. If you like and enjoy our tutorial, so comment it fast. Now, if you connect with us, so join our Facebook page, Instagram account and Telegram account, while links provides in description box. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. We will meet to you soon in next video. Don't forget to press bell icon. So now take care of yours and your near and dear ones.